Wow, guys. So today we are talking about C, how to calculate on C. So yesterday we talked about how you can run your C, introduction into C, development of C, and history of C. So today we'll be talking about calculation on C, how you can multiply integers number, how you can factorize, divide, and so on and so forth. So this video is actually into four parts. So I've listed these topics. I've made them into different videos. So the next person that'll be talking is Mr. Gafar. So listen to make sure you listen to him and pay attention. Then aside from that, if you want to join this live, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon. And also go to the comment section or go to the description section of this video. Look for a Telegram channel link. Join the Telegram channel. On the Telegram channel, the meeting ID will be sent there. Then on the meeting ID, the Telegram group, for you to join it will be sent there. At least you have to attend at least one of our meetings before you can join the our WhatsApp group. So I hope that is understood. So listen to Mr. Gafar.
If you see, we want to write a program to find the sum and average of 5 integer numbers. So here, I can put what? Average as well. Are we getting it? Then I will count down this place. Let me give it, let's say, calculate sum. Now to calculate my sum, since I already have sum, I'm just going to say sum equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4 then plus num5. And I'm going to close this. And now I also want to calculate what's my average. So from here, I can just say I would call my average, which is this, equal to, now I've already calculated all this, right? And put the value inside sum. So all I can do is just to say what? Sum. Then since they are 5, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which means I have to divide their total with what? By 5. Divided by what? By 5. Are you saying it? Then I will terminate my statements from here. I will terminate my statements. Then the next thing to do now is we want to display these results. Are we getting it? We want to display the results. Now to display the results, we're going to be using what? Printf. Now my printf, I have 5 integer numbers. So let me print them. I'm going to say, I'm going to use these, the format specifier, plus another format specifier, plus another format specifier. If I don't want to do this, it's not necessary. You understand? I just want you to see the number again. The number you just typed in. You understand? Another format specifier is, if I do this, so what is the next thing I will do? I will just impute my words, my sum. Are we getting it? And say this, sum. Okay, I know somebody is going to ask me one question, and I will be expecting that question actually from what we learned yesterday about what scanf. I'll be waiting for someone to do what? To actually ask that question. Okay, then I cannot come back here. In fact, you know what I mean? Okay, let me use this print, this same print. Please, sometimes when you write your code, there is high chance that your code might not run for the first time. You might run into problems. You will see your code will not work. It doesn't mean that yes, it is allowed. There is nobody on earth that will say, okay, for the first time when I write my program, it's successful, everything except hello world. Apart from hello world, any other thing, even me now, I can still make mistakes. Are you getting it? All right, so I can do this then. Format specifier. So this format specifier now, what did I want to do? Like this one, let me just put it equal to. Since what I need is what is D, which is what this sum. So this one equal to. I use what? I cannot say average of 5 numbers. Comma. Then I can put what? My average here. So I want to ask a question. If I run this program, will this program work? Return 0. If I run this program, will it work? Because there are some things I need to put, I did not put them. But let's try it. Let's see if it's going to work. If it did not work, then we'll see how we can modify it. Okay? So let's run our program and see if there's error, then we are going to know. So our program is compiling. So you can see, now it's asking us to enter. You can see, please enter 5 integer numbers. Now if you look here, you can notice that we have that 5 integer number actually, which is what? line 12. As you can see it here, this line 12, this is what we ask the first thing to display. Are we getting it? So let's go. So if I should enter my first integer number, I want you to go what? To go. So let's say I put 23. I put 23. Nothing is happening. So if we make a mistake, you guys, the program did not run. Anybody tell us why this program is not running? Anybody? Hello? We are together now?
Yes. I think isn't all the return
Yes.
zero also, since we are dealing with integer. I don't know if I'm correct.
Yes. Why not together? You guys should remember that I didn't have something like this. This is exactly what I was saying. And somebody still said it yesterday. Are you getting it?
Okay, yes, that
Yes.
ampersand.
Yeah, I was even saying it as I was writing this program. I was saying that I didn't have something. So I was hoping somebody would say, you didn't have this now, so how do you expect it to work?
The ampersand,
So let's revert our program. Let's see again. Maybe it's going to work. So let's put 23. Our program is not supposed to stop as we are putting because it's an integer number, whether it's positive or it's negative. But you can see our program is not going anywhere. So that means something is wrong somewhere. And we can see from that line, that means the problem has to come from what? From exactly line what? Line 12 or something. So let's look at the code and see what exactly what is happening. Why is our code not running? As you can see, I'm pressing enter, nothing is happening. So let's close this. So let's go back. Let's go back here. What do we think is the problem? Is it because of this? Or is it because of this? So we are going to try it and see. Let's rerun this program. So let's say I put 23. Okay. You see, what I'm trying to do is that we are trying to create a program, and at the same time, we are trying to see what might be the problem. Because sometimes I told you when you write a program, there is high probability that your program might not run. You understand? Then you started debugging on your own. Now you can notice that this program did not show me any error. But I know that there is error because this is not my desired result. In fact, not even result now. This is not the process I was expecting. You see, that's why I'm saying that whenever you are building a program, there are three things you need to consider. What are the three things that you need to consider? Let me open my notepad. When writing a program, the three things that you need to consider is number one is what? The input. The input is very, very necessary. Then number two is what? The process. Or you call it processes. Let us see the process. Then number three is what? The result. Now this result is divided into two. Yeah? Are we getting it? Number one, they can be what? They can be actual results. Okay. Then the second one can be what? Our real result. I know somebody will be asking that, what is it's not the same thing. Is it not the same result when you say actual result or normal result or something like that? Where result is different from result. Your program will run, you understand, but it will not be exactly what you want, just like what just happened now. As you can see, I tried to run it. It has not even passed this stage because I'm still imputing the data. So which means that I'm imputing the data, I need to be executing it immediately since it's a compiler. But it's trying to tell me that there is a problem. What is the problem? Why will I break a new line here? If I break a new line here, it will not allow you to do what to do anything here. Are we getting it? So let's continue. Let's remove this line. Sometimes I will be making this mistake. I will be expecting you guys to say, this one is a mistake. Are you getting it? I will be expecting you guys to be saying, yes, this one, why can't we do this? You understand? We are all here to learn together. It might be, I might do it purposely, you understand? Like this one that I did not have. You see, before I even finished the program, I was asking you guys that somebody said something about scan F yesterday, that we can put it here, or from some of the guys that they also use it here. Are you getting it? So I was expecting somebody to say, there is no this sign there, and this and sign, but nobody says anything. Anyway, let's continue. So let's run this program again from the beginning. So we are going to be using 23. The second number can be 12. The third number can be this. This number can be this. Then this can be this. So we are expecting result, right? If we add all these numbers together, it's going to give us our result. Cool. So let's run it. Now you can see it's showing us what? It's showing us 135 plus this plus 8 plus 12 equals to 122. equals to average of 5 number. Are you seeing what we are getting? So that means we are not actually getting our actual result. This is not what we want. Are we getting it? So I know somebody will say, instead of me writing this, why can't I just leave this one out? Are you getting it? Yes, of course, I can do that. I can remove the whole of this. You understand? I can remove this. I can say the sum of 5 number is. You understand? Then I can use, since we are using format specifier, I always use this. Now let's try and run our program. Let's see if it's going to run. So let's use small number to see something, to look at something. It's showing us 25 here. The sum of 5 number is, why is it showing 25? And why is this one showing 5 here? Average of 5 number is showing here. Now we are getting our result, but this is not where we want it. You understand? We want it to display different. What happened? Yes, what happened is that because this one is here. Are you getting it? Exactly. So which means you have to consider what? The position. You have to consider what? Your position. So here I will be expecting to put it what? Here. Are you getting it? So we are going to use the same thing here. I didn't even know when I put something like this. This one. I didn't know when I did that. And D. So let's rerun this program again.
Error on line 34.
Sir?
On line 34.
Line 34, what do we have?
The decimal color should be after the symbol.
This?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, sir. So let's run this program. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. As you can see, the sum of words, 5 number is 25, and average of 5 number is what? Equals to 5. Now, you see it. It's not necessary that only when you write a program, you want that program to run at the first time. I still keep telling you, it doesn't matter. It's just like when you're in school, you read. You cannot read once and you're expected to pass that course like that. You can read more than 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Sometimes it's not because you want to pass. It's just because you want to what? You want to understand. Now, let's look at this program very well. After writing this program, you guys can notice that there is no any error in this program. Even though the program is not running, it did not show, the compiler did not complain. It did not show any red line. What I mean is this. Let me remove this. Let me remove it. Let me rerun it. Do you see the compiler is showing me red here, telling me that there is a problem with this line. But for the part that I did not have anything, you understand, the compiler did not do that. Are we getting it? The compiler did not do anything of sorts. The compiler did not complain. Now, if it is you now, that is what is happening with most